Welcome to another Factory Insight. Today, we're at a high-volume facility producing motorcycle kickstarters, beginning with cutting raw steel rebar into precise lengths. These segments are heated in a furnace until they're glowing red, making them pliable for the next crucial steps in the forging process. Each heated piece is placed into a heavy-duty forging press, where it's stamped into the basic shape of a Kickstarter arm. The raw power of these machines ensures structural integrity. Once cooled, excess metal is trimmed off, and the arms undergo precision drilling and milling. This creates the mounting holes and internal teeth required for a perfect fit on the motorcycle. The final stages involve a multi-tank electroplating process to give each Kickstarter its signature chrome finish, providing both aesthetics and corrosion resistance. Next, today, we're witnessing the high-speed production line of industrial ball valves, starting with molten brass casting. First, the molten brass is poured into precision molds. Once cooled, these raw castings are separated and cleaned to prepare for machining. Using heavy-duty lathes and CNC machines, the valve bodies are precisely machined and threaded. This ensures a perfect, leak-proof connection for any plumbing or industrial system. Next, we move to the internal components. The brass spheres, or balls, are polished to a mirror finish and slotted to allow for controlled flow. Precision drilling then creates the necessary ports for the valve stems. Once all components are ready, the valve is assembled. The ball is secured within the body using high-quality seals and the control handle is attached. Finally, the valves are tested and prepared for shipping. From molten metal to a finished, high-performance product, this is manufacturing excellence. Next, today, we're witnessing the intense process of manufacturing heavy-duty steel shackles, starting with the raw forging of high-tensile steel rods. Each steel rod is heated to a glowing orange in an industrial furnace. This makes the metal pliable enough to be stamped into its initial U shape using a massive hydraulic forging press. Once the basic form is set, the excess metal, or flash, is trimmed away. The shackles then undergo a specialized bending process to ensure the correct alignment for the mold holes. Next comes precision machining. Each shackle is placed in a high-speed drilling station where the eyes are bored out to exact specifications. This is critical for the safety rating of the final product. The shackles are then moved to a chemical cleaning and galvanizing bath. This creates a thick zinc coating that protects the steel from rust and corrosion in harsh marine or industrial environments. Finally, the locking pins are inserted, and the shackles are ready for the toughest lifting job. Next, we're taking you through the precision manufacturing of motorcycle brake shoes, starting with the melting of high-grade aluminum alloy. The molten metal is poured into specialized die casting molds. Once cooled, these sturdy frames are extracted, providing the essential structure needed for reliable stopping power. Next, the frames undergo a thorough cleaning and surface leveling process. This ensures the brake linings will adhere perfectly. You can see the automation keeping the workflow incredibly fast and consistent. The high-friction linings are then bonded to the frames using industrial-strength adhesive and high-pressure baking. This creates a permanent bond that can withstand intense heat and friction. After a final round of precision grinding and quality inspection, the return springs are attached. Every single unit is checked to meet strict safety standards. And there you have it, a finished brake shoe ready for the road. Next, we're witnessing the incredible power behind the production of industrial axle shafts, starting with the arrival of heavy-duty raw metal billets. The process begins in the furnace, where these massive steel rods are heated to extreme temperatures. Once they're glowing orange, they're ready for forging under this high-impact hydraulic press. Watch the precision as the workers guide the heated steel. The press stamps and shapes the rod into the basic form of the axle. This forging process is what gives the shaft its legendary strength and durability. After cooling, the shafts move to precision machining. Each unit is drilled and milled to create the flange and mounting holes, ensuring a perfect fit for heavy-duty vehicle assembly. The final stage is induction hardening and quenching. This heat treatment creates an incredibly hard surface while maintaining a flexible core, allowing the axle to handle massive torque without snapping. And there you have it, from raw billet to a finished high-performance axle shaft. Next, we're following the journey of recycled footwear, starting with these old, discarded sandals being gathered for a second life. The old sandals are fed into a high-powered industrial shredder. This machine grinds the rubber and PVC down into small, uniform granules, creating the raw material for our new product. These granules are then mixed with fresh color pigments and specialized bonding agents in a large rotating drum. This ensures the color is vibrant and consistent throughout the entire batch. The mixture is then loaded into an injection molding machine. Under high heat and pressure, the material is liquefied and forced into precision sandal-shaped molds. After a quick cooling period, the molds are opened to reveal brand new, durable sandals. The excess material is trimmed away and, you guessed it, sent right back to be recycled again. From waste to wearable fashion, this is sustainability in action.